The slogan of the University of St. Gallen is "From Insight to Impact." And in our excellence program, Best Practice in Marketing, this is really what we try to achieve.
We close the learning loop between practitioners on the one hand and scientists on the other. This year, our program turns 25 years. Thus, it's one of the oldest and most successful research programs of the University of St. Gallen.
Where we organize and where we summarize all of the things what we've learned throughout the year. And today it's special because it's the first time that we are in St. Gallen at this wonderful location at the square to show our participants, well, our surroundings, and well, it's a pleasure to host this conference here at this wonderful location.
I was able to bring a challenge that was really specific to my role and get fresh perspectives on it from other people in other industries. And I really appreciated that because it helped me think broader beyond the compliance restrictions in my industry, and I really appreciated that.
It's super important to always connect the latest in research and what the industry is talking about. So for me personally, this has been a tremendous day, worth the investment of time being here.
It was a great day today, first time for me being here at the square in St. Gallen. So a really lovely building, meeting great people from all the diverse industries, from all functions within marketing, exchanging on what has been happening in the sessions last year. And obviously very happy that we as B.Braun are one company who's supporting that to happen.